Hello guys, my husband is fishing over here in our little pond. That's the pond where our sweetheart, what you gonna say?
I want to say I am happy to make it to the pond today and to fish for the first time this year in 2023. And I'm looking forward to
Go
God
there.
blessing us with a very good year this year. Not only fishing, but just living. And my biggest wish is that all of God's children that are called by His name will humble themselves and start to pray that God's will be done in the earth and humble themselves and get out of known sin. If you're doing something that you know ain't right, pray and ask God to deliver you from that, and God will. He'll help you. But you must first have a desire to, you know. So, I know for a fact because I've been there. I like to think that now I've got everything uh, right with God and I'm on the right road. And it's important to get on the right road because the old man told me you can't get to the right place on the wrong road. So you must find the right road in life and stay on that road and you'll get to the right place. So I'm here fishing in my own backyard. What could be better than that today? And have my wife and my son with me. The only thing that would make it better if I had my other son with me, Brau, in the Philippines, who I hope to go see soon. Brau, if you seeing this video, son, I'm coming. I love you and I miss you. And I can't wait to see you and bring you here to the U.S. so you can be here fishing with us at the pond.
Get a bait. Just keep moving, baby.
So funny. May not be fishing deep.
Throw in far away. Something over there.
You see over there is all them
Yeah.
sticks. That's the best place right there.
I saw bubbles over there too, baby. Maybe they get a fish.
Yeah, they was laying right in here and they saw us and that was a big one to kick up all that mud off the bottom.
Beautiful weather, guys. It was fun to be in the backyard. This is our backyard. Why you try to do? Try to make it farther, baby.
That's a good spot right there.
Ain't nothing bad in it. Guys, we have a first catch. That's a bass.
A brim.
Sorry, a brim. We got a first catch, guys. So that's the fish. That's our first catch today. What you gonna say, sweetheart?
Well, this is my first catch of the year. I hope it only gets better from there. It will. It's only going to get better. It's a small one, but it's a brim. We'll clean this fish if we catch about 10 of these, and we'll have these for dinner. Okay, baby. Okay, Giraffe. You going to take him off?
No, he don't know, baby. This ladder goes straight to the water. And you get
Okay,
already...
go get me that white bucket.
You get already Barrico standing.
Yeah, the white bucket. I can put some water in.
Yeah, they goes through the hook straight this way. Put a little water on it. Not too much, sweetheart. That's too much water.
No, don't feel it.
That's a nice
I want
one.
to touch it, Daddy. Oh, I touched it! I touched it, Daddy!
that's an eating size there.
Yeah, at least you didn't eat all your worm.
Oh, I touched it, Daddy. I
Yeah.
touched it.
Got you. Got you. Baby, move that bucket there before I fall down. Okay, we got another.
Fishy. Oh.
We got a big greener. Guys, get away to the water, baby. Gonna get. Yeah. So how many pounds this one, sweetheart?
Oh, he's about 5 pounds.
Yeah, this is 5 pound greener, guys. Ooh,
Yeah,
that's
he
a big
really
one.
He's really heavy.
Yeah, I can clean it out too. Ooh, that's heavy. It's good, my You see how big is it, guys? You see? Just a greener. Just a big one. Yeah, hold it, baby. Move, Jarrell. That's the greener, guys. Go to side and now. Yeah, like that. It's 5 pounds. That's a second catch, sweetheart.
Yeah, that's a 5 or 6 pounder, boy. He
Yeah,
heavy.
that's so heavy. Bring the bucket. Get away, Jarrell. I'm filming, Jarrell. Get away. Oh, maybe he gonna eat this other fish then. Oh no. The other fish is running.
Oh, 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 oh.
Dang, that's the one who's teasing. That's a big one. Dang. That's a big one, guys. It's good they never cut my hook, baby.
Yeah, I gotta get that hook out his mouth.
Get away,
You know
son.
where my wire pliers that I had?
You can get it?
Cause see a grinner, you see them little sharp teeth
Yeah,
he
you
got?
got a light sharp teeth. Touch it, soak him, baby. You don't know? Let me pull out that one. Hold this camera so that.
Okay.
Yeah. Get away, son.
Get back,
away.
go back over there.
You have to soak him out. Hey, it's slippery. You have to hold him in the gills. So,
What?
yeah, you hold him in the gills so you can pull it. He can move if you hold him in the gills. Dang, he really get a hook up.
Sashimi, Daddy. Sashimi. My gosh.
Yeah, it's broke my hook, baby. It's bent.
Okay, guys.
Go to his meat.
Dad catch a big goldfish.
It's a greener.
Oh, really?
I usually don't eat grinner, but my wife know how to cook them good.
Get away, son.
I like bass and buffalo and brim.
I got it.
Oh, good. Now let me see you hold it up. Hold the fish up in the air.
I got it, guys.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Closer, sweetheart. Let
Yeah.
me see. Jarrell, move out. Son, where?
That's a catfish too.
Yeah, that's a good size.
Yeah, if the greener is very slippery, guys. The technique, you have to hold the gills. When you hold the gills, he can move.
Wow, you're right.
Hold the gills. You see, this is the force is from the jaw, so you have to hold it good because the greener is very slippery. So
Right.
yeah, if you wanna take off the hook on it, you have to hold the gills right here, like choking thing from the neck. So if you hold this one, he can move.
Oh,
Yeah, you see,
I didn't even know that.
Oh.
big. This like a 6 pounds heavy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's heavy.
I told you.
Yeah.
Oh, I wish you had a caught him, baby, because he was hard to pull. He was pulling hard.
I have to wash in the water.
I'm glad my wife ain't scared of fish.
No,
Oh,
I grew up in the ocean. Land and water, I grew up, so no problem. some bait on it.
Getting the bite over there.
Ooh.
That's that dry.
Guys, we're fishing one more time. It's a little bit, the sun already down. So my husband wanna catch more fish. I hope we get more catch.
Well, only caught 2 today. A brim and a grinner, but at least I didn't.
It didn't zero.
It wasn't 0 exactly, and so. And it was fun. You know, the fun thing about fishing is not catching fish. Whether you catch them or not, it's the relaxation of fishing. There's not many things that I have experienced in this life that gave me much pleasure and relaxation than fishing. This is one of the most pleasurable, relaxing things you can do by yourself or with your family. I prefer with my family. I've fished by myself before, and I've fished with my family, and it's much more fun when you got your family. If your little boy would be quiet and don't scare the fish away, and not make noise like Gerald is doing. He been making noise all day. Maybe we caught more. I don't know. Pick the fish up and show the people.
I didn't know. I don't want it. You're the one. You're the one.
I don't pick up grinners. That's your mama. She brave enough to pick them grinners up. I'm scared to pick up that grinner.
I think he collapsed. You don't want to move. What's that?
Here's something.
In the neighborhood.
Okay. Nothing.
Because you ain't throwing none, baby. Maybe we come there a little bit early. Make it shorter, your string. Not too long.
Think we ought to throw that one more?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, one more. One more throw.
You got a more worm?
Four
Yeah, that's
more.
supposed to be the
Dad,
bite
four.
now.
Daddy, 4. 4, Daddy. 4 of
Would
them.
you get back?
Get back. Because daddy throwing that hook and stick to your head. Yeah. That's beautiful. The sunlight is gone. The sunset. That's a sunset, guys. I'm sorry. That's not sunlight. Sunset. Ooh. Ooh, I hear a big one, baby.
Yeah, see?
I'm trying now.
Yeah. Come on, one more fish bite.
No, 4, Daddy.
You hear that? That's a big one. Dang, you hear that, baby?
Yeah. Right over in that bush. You can hear a big fish over there.
Yeah. I think that's a greener again. Maybe he's stuck.
Oh, that's bass.
That's a bass.
Yeah, he's spawning. That's what they do. They spawn and spawn over the eggs that the females lay. So they can fertilize them eggs, and then them eggs will turn into little bass.
Bring that there. Go there, go. You need to go and check right there. No, they got a big one over there. Turn around and check it out because sounds is just stay there and moving. Sorry, it ain't going away around. It just stay. So guys, a little bit cool right here. A beautiful tree around in our backyard. We have the little pond over here for fun. Little pond for fun.
Okay. Now you fish for a minute.
Okay.
This is our backyard. That's the house up there. Okay, baby, go ahead and catch that one big one so we can go cook them.
Get away, son.
Dad, show me, Dad. Show me. Show me. Dad, show me, Daddy. Show me.
Show you.
Okay, guys. Daddy catch 2 fish, and Mom catching 1.
Your mama caught one.
Dad, you get 2.
Your mama didn't catch no fish yet.
I didn't catch it yet.
But she finna catch one now. Come on, baby. You can do it. You can do it.
I throw 4 away.
Yeah, that's good. Right there. It's good.
No bait over here, baby. Okay, guys, I'm a little bit cool.
Okay, stand right there and talk. Michelle. Wow.
I said moving. Yeah. Where is the stake of that one?
There.
Oh. Maybe they eat your worm already, baby. If I with you, I think we just throw our bait more, cause they gonna die. That worm is no good for tomorrow. Just go and check it. You see that? You see? It's big one. I hope it's not a greener. That's. Oh, I told you, Jirai will get away. No, it's gone. You have to put more.
Yeah, I'm gonna bait it up real good.
Yeah.
One last time.
Mhm.
Oh, Daddy, it's too there though. It's too there, very tiny. No, the big one, Daddy. The big one. The big one.
Okay, sweetheart. You tried to jump, baby.
Let me see you get him out, baby.
No, that's enough. My hand is really squishy already, baby. Oh, no.
Y'all, we got a couple of fish in here.
Yeah, I don't have bait no more.
Yeah, a lot. It's just dark.
Throw it this, baby. My hand is frost.
So what you gonna do? You gonna throw him that?
Throw that
Not
bait.
that grinner. I don't want him back in the water. He eats a bit too much.
That's enough. You let him out to the water.
No, you can hear him. He's still alive, though.
Yeah. This green are hard to die. No, don't throw him in the water, baby.
The brim. Okay, y'all. We're gonna let the little brim go. We take it, sending him back. Let's see if he still can go. Oh yeah, there he goes. He gone.
Yeah, we don't put back the greener, guys, because the greener is a predator. He will eat
Yeah,
all
he
the
eat
fish.
up the fish.
Yeah.
Show him on.
Yeah, he already see that. Dang, he
Show
wanna.
him now, baby. Show him.
Yeah. Dang, he look like catfish though. He's very slippery.
Daddy.
That's, guys.
Go back. Go back.
Daddy.
Back.
And guys, thank you so much for watching Fred Fan TV, and we're gonna go to the house too, guys, because it's kind of dark over here. So we just put it back, the greener back. Sorry, the what's that, baby? The bram. We put it back, the little bram, and we take the greener because the greener is a predator. They will eat all the fish.
Answer my phone, baby.
And guys, thank you so much for watching Fred Fan TV.